Hello and welcome to the MCQ lecture series. Since we are discussing important multiple choice questions, in today's class I'll be talking about multiple choice questions with respect to first year Bachelors of Arts course, which is General Economics course titled Indian Economic Environment. So let's get started. The first MCQ is agricultural credit can be classified on the basis of what? The underlying options are A, on the basis of purpose for which I am going to take loans, then the tenure for which I am going to take the loan, whether short term, medium term or long term, thereafter the basis of security, and last option is all of the above. So agricultural credit can be classified on the basis of all of these reasons, that is the underlying purpose, the tenure and the underlying security. So here the correct answer is option D, all of the above. Let us now move to the next question, which is a long form sort of a question, a full form sort of a question. It says that what is the long form of RRBs? So now the underlying options available to us are A, regional rural banks or bank, then we have real rural bank, then the third option is regular rural bank, and the last option is a royal rural bank. So it is a long form sort of a question and you might get such questions. Here the correct option is option A, regional rural bank. So this is the correct answer. Let us now move to the next question, which is again talking about the objectives of this particular institution called as regional rural bank. So what can be the possible or main objectives of regional rural banks? So let us now look at the underlying options available to us. The first is looking at providing loans to farmers. The second is providing loans to weaker sections of the society in rural areas particularly, then providing loans to cottage or village industry, and all of the above. So these are all the possible roles or objectives or points of importance associated with something called as regional rural banks. So therefore the correct option here is all of these, that is provision of loans to farmers, to weaker sections, to village and cottage industry. That these are some of the main objectives or roles of regional rural banks in India. Let us now move to the next question, which is again a long form sort of a question, which is looking at the long form of NABARD or NABARD. So the underlying options available to us are A, the first option is talking about National Bank for Audit, Research and Development. Then we have National Bank for Agricultural and Rural Development. Then we have National Bank for Atomic Research and Development, and the last option is National Bank for Agricultural and Regional Development. So here please read the options carefully. These two options sound really similar or very close to each other. The correct option here is option B, that is National Bank for Agricultural and Rural Development. So therefore option B is correct, that is the long form of NABARD or NABARD. Let us now move to the next question, which is talking about which of the following are functions of NABARD. Now we have seen what is the long form of this institution, what can be the possible functions of this institution, and let us look at the options. Provides finance to cooperative banks, then it is NABARD is the apex institution which provides finance to rural areas. Thereafter we have provides loans for longer term in rural areas, that is I'm talking about NABARD, and all of the above. So these are all possible functions of NABARD, and therefore the correct answer here is option D, which is all of the above. Let us now move to the last question in this segment, which is talking about the establishment of NABARD. So the question goes like this: NABARD was established in the year dash, and the possible options given to us are A, 1935, B, 1945, C, 1969, and then we have the last option 1982. So precisely NABARD was formed in July 1982. So that is the correct answer, and this marks the end of this segment of the MCQ lecture. Please stay tuned for more. Thank you.